Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to Mall of Asia, Phoenix Mall of Asia, which is very close to L&T. As you can see, the L&T building. Today I'm going inside the Phoenix Mall of Asia. You can also come and explore with me. Yeah, I'm going inside. This is the outside of the Mall of Asia. As you can see, the decorations. You can see the fountains here. Yeah. One of the biggest mall in the Bangalore. Yeah, it is newly opened. I think 1 year ago it is opened. It is newly opened mall. It's one of the biggest mall in the Bangalore. Now I'm going inside the mall. This is the inside of a mall of. This is the inside of a mall. As you can see, the decoration is very beautiful. The interiors is very beautiful. You can see here the interiors are very beautiful. You can see the so many stores, cafes here. It's, 4 floors, I think. 4 floors, and the last floor it consists of the what is that restaurants, cafes, and film theaters. You can see the different kind of the stalls here. Actually, this is one of the beautiful mall I have ever visited. Actually, it replicates the Dubai Mall. Dubai Mall is also big like that. Inside this mall, they made a beautiful, what is that, garden. But this is an artificial garden. It is synthetic and plastic type. But it looks like a virginal garden. You can see the water is falling. It's also artificial. Trees here, you can see the trees. So many people are taking the photograph. This is one of the beautiful mall I have ever visited. The interiors are so beautiful. Yeah, you can see the interiors. Okay, the interiors are so beautiful. Yeah, you can see one keyboard, means piano. They placed it here. They placed it on XUV car here. Actually, you can see the billboard like structures inside the mall. Let me show you. Let me zoom in. You can see the billboard-like structures inside the mall. Why I called it one of the futuristic and beautiful mall in the Bangalore. You can come and visit with the family and the friends. Yeah, this is one of the beautiful mall. You can see there is a shoes, and it's a store actually. You can. Now I'm going to the first floor. I think you can see this is the billboard. You see the interiors. For the lights also, they made the interiors very beautiful. Yeah, it's one of the beautiful mall in the Bangalore. You can see the billboard also. This is also beautifully placed billboard. You can see the golden stripes in front of in the middle. They installed what is that screens in the middle of there. This is actually like Sateria. This is also billboard in the Mall of Asia. I already said this is one of the most beautiful malls in the Bangalore, and it's also quite largest mall in the Bangalore. Yeah, it's a quite largest in the Bangalore because it is a newly constructed mall. I think it opened around 1 or 2 years back. One of the biggest mall in the Bangalore. This you can see the interiors. I'm not telling lie. You can see it is completely made up of the glass. I think yeah, it's completely made up of the glass. And if in the middle they placed some of the light. It's so beautiful actually to see here. It's so beautiful. It's one of the very beautiful mall in the Bangalore I have ever visited. Actually, I visited all the malls in the Bangalore, but this is more special and a beautiful mall. Now I'm going to the third floor. Let me explore what's the third store. Also, there are so many clothing, and digital store is there like Reliance Digital, Chroma, Trends like that. Now I will go to the third floor of the mall. Now I'm going to explore the fourth floor. What is there in the fourth floor? I think there is a theater actually. You can see the beautiful wall posters and design inside the mall. It feels like you are in a Times Square in New York City. Actually, in the fourth floor there is a Inox. Inox is there. Inox movie, and there are lot of what is that? Lot of shops is there. Yeah, you can see the Inox here. In the fourth floor, these are the shops are there. Yeah, you can see in the touch screen what are all the in the fourth floor. It's in the third. Yeah, it's last floor in the mall. You can see there are so many food counters inside the mall like KFC, McDonald's, Domino's, like that. It's the blueprint of a mall. What's there in these floors? Yeah. In this fourth floor, there is completely a food court. Actually, you can come with the family and friend and have the dinner, lunch here. Actually, you can see there are so many restaurants. You can eat Italian, Spanish, Indian, North Indian, South Indian, like that. And these are various hotels and restaurants in the fourth floor. You can see that Domino's is also there. It's quite large actually, very big. It's in the fourth floor. And you can see the decorations and in the fourth floor you can see it's very beautiful. The ball like structures in between, there is a light actually. Second floor there is a small stage, like small stage inside. Here in the weekends they do some of the parties and some of the concerts, like music concerts here. You can see this is actually the second floor of the mall. You can see the architecture, the interiors is quite beautiful. This is the overall view of the mall from the third floor. You can see the each floors individually. In the ground floor there is a garden-like structures. Yeah, garden-like structures. And this is the individual view of a mall. You can see. Let me zoom into the garden. Yeah. It's quite beautiful in this mall actually. This is also a food place only, in which lot of cafeterias is there in the third floor. Going inside a time zone, it's a game center completely. Yeah, it's a game center here. You can come with the family and friends and enjoy the games. Doll picking game, you need to pick the doll. There are so many games here like bike, cars, so many games, and there is also a prizes like candies, gift box is also there. You can see there are a lot of games in the third floor of the mall. It's called Time Zone. You can come with the family and enjoy the games. I think you need to hit by the hammer and it shows highest score. This is the punching bag. This is the big spin game actually. I don't know how to play. So you can celebrate a birthday like that inside the time zone. Actually, this is a doll picking game. You need to pick the doll by the hook. By controlling this. You need to pick some of the toys like cars, like that. You need to pick the toys, keychains and small keychains. In this, they play some of the chocolates, I think. This is the overview of a time zone in the third floor of a Phoenix Mall of Asia. Fishing car is also there. Bowling. Here, these are some of the games inside a Mall of Asia actually. Another gaming is called Fun City. This is also inside the, what is that, Mall of Asia, in the third floor. In this place also there are same kinds of the games like punching machine, punching bag and basketball and toy picking and cars like these are all the car games and bike racing game. I used to play in my childhood actually. Actually, this is the video about this is the vlog about in what's inside Mall of Asia. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am repeating once again, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.